Hi guys, Namaskaram. Welcome back to my channel Sri's Delight. So by now you must be knowing why I couldn't upload videos these many days. So from now onwards I'll try to upload minimum one video a week. So today after a long break I'm doing a recipe in my kitchen, my new kitchen. So I thought of starting it with a sweet. Anyway, I had lots of bananas in my house which was overly ripe. Instead of baking a cake from banana, today I am making a halwa. Shall we start cooking? Let's go. This is my view from my kitchen. You must have seen the day view in my previous video. And this is the one in the night. Beautiful lightings for this Ramadan celebration. My neighbors has arranged very beautifully. And I love this view while cooking. Now we'll see what ingredients we need to make this banana halwa. Here I have taken 12 overly ripe bananas. You can see it's like overly ripe here. So I have taken this. Anyway, no one likes to eat this overly ripe bananas and don't want to waste it. So I am making a halwa out of this. So I have taken equal amount of dates here. The seedless dates. This is according to your taste. If you feel your bananas are less sweet, you can add still more dates. But here my bananas are sweeter. So I have taken same amount of dates. I removed the seeds. Here I have taken few almonds. I crushed it in the mortar pestle. And here I have taken some cashews. Here are pistachios. And here this is my pumpkin seeds. And some ghee to fry our dry fruits. So first we will blend our bananas and our dates first. We consume this banana pulp and this banana peels. My plants will consume them. So I am going to save it for my plants. Make a pulp of this and come back. This is the pulp I needed. There are some dates here and there. That's okay. When it comes into a bites, it tastes good. And anyway, dates will melt away in the heat. So, here's my banana dates pulp. We'll start the procedure now. So, I have taken a heavy bottom pan here. I'm going to add some ghee. 2 tablespoons of ghee. I'm going to add half tablespoon of ghee into a tray. By the time the ghee melts here, I'm going to grease my pan to keep it ready. So first I'm going to dry roast our dry fruits. Here goes our pistachios and pumpkin seeds, followed by our almonds and cashews. These dry fruits are optional actually, since banana has a good flavor in it, and we are going to add, and we are adding dates also, so that flavor is enough. But if you want your halwa to be rich, you can add these items. Even you can add your dry grapes or kismis. This halwa will give you instant energy during your fasting times. To break your fast, you can use this. And whenever you feel low in energy, you can make it within 5 to 10 minutes and you can have this. Whenever you feel your bananas are overly ripe and you want to store them or save them, you can use it in this way. Here, these are slightly golden brown color. I'm going to shift it into a bowl. So into the same pan, I'm going to add 1 more tablespoon of ghee. Since this is halwa, we need lots of ghee, but we'll try to minimize our ghee consumption now. Now I'm going to add our banana dates pulp into this ghee. In a low to medium flame, we are going to stir it until all our pulp is cooked, banana pulp is cooked. So while blending this, I didn't add any water or milk, just bananas and our dates. That's it, it's enough. When this banana pulp is sticky and which is sticking to a pan, I will add some ghee. Just a half tablespoon of ghee is enough. So occasionally we'll be adding ghee now. This is my portion of my sweet. I am taking it separate because my kids need more sweetness. So this is mine. I'm not going to add any sweet to mine. So for my kids, I'm going to add like 2 teaspoons or tablespoons of sugar. You can see all the ghee is oozed out. I'm going to add some sugar. This 2 tablespoons of ghee, 2 tablespoons of sugar, sorry. We'll mix it thoroughly. Since we added sugar, there is chances of water oozing out from this halwa. Now even my sugar is melted in this halwa. Now this is the stage we'll add our dry fruits. This is for me. We can switch off the flame and we can mix it. So now we'll wait for our halwa to get it cool down. Then we'll cut it into pieces. It's ready to consume. So after spreading my halwa into the tray, I kept it for drying because it's summer and it's very hard to get it cool down. So I'm using my kitchen fan. So we have to wait for approximately 15 minutes to get it cool. Then we have to cut it into pieces and our halwa is ready to consume.
Happy Amma?
Happy.
Yes. Yeah.
One more?
Yeah.
Enough? You want one more?
Yeah. Oh my god. One, two, three, four. I want it.
Achu. Dates.
Okay.
இது என்னது?
Banana.
Banana. குடிச்சுக்கோ.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
யாருக்கு happy birthday?
Happy birthday. It's Andrew. Happy birthday.
இது கேக்கா?
Daddy cake. Amma birthday cake.
Battery cake அது.
Daddy cake. Amma. Birthday cake. Mom.
Finish. Colors. चलो. Yella.
Yeah.
Yella.
Yeah.
This is my banana halwa. Very rich in a nutty flavor and taste also very healthy. All ingredients I used in this sweet is very healthy. As I said, all the nuts which are high in protein, ghee which has a good cholesterol and it has lots of medicinal values which can cure lots of disease. Banana, we all know it helps in constipation, and dates which is rich in iron, and it is compulsory to have 2 dates a day for a woman. So we can consume it in this way also. So if you like this recipe, please do this in your house and let me know how it came for you. We'll see you in the next interesting video. Until then, take care. Before that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and take care. Bye for now. Thank you for watching my video.